Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So it's another quick tip and welcome back. So if you didn't already know, this is a Alliance Avenue and it's a brand new 2025-2026. In a previous video, I was nagging on them about how close they put the solar panel and how they just should have shifted it that way and they should have shifted it over a little bit more because it's so close to the side. But what I wanted to talk about while I'm up here is whether you have this is going to be a max air fan. If you have a max air fan and you have these brackets, right? These brackets are made to accept a vent lid hinge. And I was trying to see, well, there's one on this other Alliance that's over here. So there's one over there. It's basically made to sit over the top of this and pin through with some pins so that you can take it off relatively easy. But the issue is a lot of times these holes, there's not, sometimes there's not enough putty underneath of them. Sometimes they're not sealed very well, and it will allow water to get back in here and travel and maybe not necessarily go through the actual surface of the vent, but it can get down in here and go travel through the surface of the roof underneath. So if you see that, if you're not going to put a vent on it, my advice would be to take, even if it's silicone, or you could take some Dicor, some alpha sealant, whichever you want, and you could just put a little blob on each side of that to prevent that from leaking, to get you by until you ever decide to put a vent good cover on there. If you're not, then just squirt some in there and leave it like it is. Even if you did that and you changed your mind down the road, you could always go back and dig it out and add it. But that's just my tip of the day for that. So make sure you're checking on these holes. These will get water in them, and they will over time cause damage to the roof surface. All right, thanks so much for watching.